Today we're talking about the perfect budgie room. A free flight zone so safe that even a budgie with a poor sense of direction won't get lost. So, helmets on, humor on, let's go. I'm Beatrix. Welcome to Welliness Instead of Budgie Stress, the channel that gives your budgies wings and shows you how to transform your home into a budgie paradise. Why a budgie room even makes sense. Budgies aren't decorative birds. They need space, action, and room to go wild, in a good way. A dedicated budgie room is like an amusement park, only without entrance fees and with significantly more fluttering. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want a room where they're greeted by a little ball of fluff at any time? Danger zones, or the room is an escape room. Before we furnish anything, we have to make the room budgie-proof. Because for budgies, everything is either perch, toy, snack, or all of the above. Hazard check. Cables. To budgies, they're like spaghetti. Plants. Some are poisonous, others are simply destroyed. Windows. Invisible portals to nowhere for budgies. Cracks and crevices. Perfect places to hide or to send you into a panic. What can you do? Hide cables, check plants, secure windows, seal cracks. In short, make the room more budgie-proof than a baby's room. Windows and light, the invisible danger. Windows are like glass portals to another dimension for budgies. They don't see them. They fly into them. You have a heart attack. Everyone loses. Solution: curtains, window decorations, UV stickers, or simply always keep them closed. And please, no budgies at open windows. Also not just for a minute. Budgies are faster than your reflexes. Perches, the budgie tree. Now it's time to get creative. Budgies need perches like people need sofas. But not just any perch. They want variety. Unnatural branches of varying thicknesses, climbing trees, hanging bridges, swings. The more heights, levels, and paths, the better. Your room should look like an indoor climbing park for mini parrots. Enrichment, the budgie amusement park. A budgie without enrichment is like a bored teenager. They'll find something to do on their own, and that's usually not a good thing. Here are some enrichment ideas. Shredding material, intelligence games, fresh branches, DIY toys, foraging trees, millet search games. If your budgie isn't bored, you'll automatically have less stress. Welliness instead of budgie stress. Landing surfaces, the airport for badminton birds. Budgies land everywhere. On lamps, on doors, on your head, on things that aren't actually meant for landing. Offer them attractive landing spots. High branches, perches, climbing trees, a window perch, and please, no lamps as landing spots. They're hot and dangerous. Order and cleanliness, the daily feather tornado. A budgie room isn't a museum. It's a place full of feathers, crumbs, millet explosions, and the occasional surprise. Tips: sweep or vacuum daily. Place mats under favorite feeding spots. Air purifier, optional, but worth its weight in gold. Ventilate regularly. The cleaner the room, the healthier the budgies, and the more relaxed you. Sleeping places, the chill-out zone. Budgies need peace and quiet, even if they sound like a grumpy alarm clock during the day. Sleeping place tips: quiet corners, dim lighting, nodrafts, consistent routine. No sleeping houses, otherwise they'll quadruple in number. If your budgies sleep well, they'll be more balanced during the day and less dramatic. So, that was our tour of the perfect budgie room. If you're thinking, oh wow, my room is more like a budgie adventure zone, don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere. The important thing is safety plus enrichment plus space equals budgie well-being instead of budgie stress.
Tschüss und bleib gesund.